Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to a DNA Drives video. My name's Garrett, and today I'll be talking about a front splitter that I recently purchased for my 2012 Mustang. So let's get into it. So recently I've been looking online at front splitters for my 2012 Mustang, but I haven't been very successful at all in finding one that fits the 10 to 12 Mustangs. A lot of bumpers that I see online from various sites, eBay, I really don't even know, I'm blanking out on everything right now, but I just cannot find any front splitter for under $100 for 10 to 12 Mustangs, and it's pretty annoying. But anyways, there's a lot of 2013 to 14 Mustang front splitters, so that's cool for you guys who own those ones, but for me, I can't find anything. I'm having no luck. But recently I did order a quote universal front splitter. In the description it did say that it fits Mustangs 2011 and up, so universal too. It said it also fit Focus, Fiesta, and Mustangs 2011 Mustang and up, like I said. But I ended up ordering it. I knew I was taking a risk, and lo and behold, got it in and it doesn't fit. So I'm kind of making this video to warn you guys about this exact front splitter. If you have a 10 to 12 Mustang 5.0 or V6, do not get this front splitter. And then I also wanted to kind of announce in this video that I am in the process of creating a custom front splitter. When I first got this front splitter that I just ordered about 2 weeks ago, I teased on my Instagram page. If you're following me on there, it's DNA Drives _G, and then also follow the other co-founder, Walker, because I mean, kind of have to. He's got a sick 300 SRT. But anyways, I posted on my account that I was teasing what was inside the box, and then I went to go and put it on and it didn't fit, and I teased it before, so that was very smart of me, first of all. And second of all, that's what happened, if you're wondering. I've been kind of keeping secret about it. I've been scratching my head on what to do, kind of really disappointed about it. But anyways, let me show you the front splitter exactly, what it looks like if you do order it, for your Focus, or if you got Fiesta, whatever. This is what was inside the box. So I forgot if I mentioned the price. It was 45 bucks out the door to get this, and I did get it from eBay. It is very nice looking. It's plastic. It's not very flimsy, surprisingly. It looks pretty good. It feels pretty sturdy too. It comes in 3 pieces. So this is a quarter right here, and then we got this bad boy like this. I'll try and lay it out for you guys. So yeah, this is how it's supposed to look. And then it came with some screws, a bunch of screws, hardware included, little rubber blocks, and then it came with 2 rods, which I am absolutely obsessed with. Freaking love front splitters. The rods, man. I got something for these, man. I got I don't want to see a kink and make me look like a weirdo, but front splitters with rods are just so sexy. Anyways, this is what it's supposed to look like. So right now it is dark outside, and I can't exactly show you guys why this won't fit, but the main reason why it doesn't fit is because the centerpiece is not long enough, and it also doesn't curve against the bumper. It's not the same curved, it's not the same degree, I should say. Oh, hello, dog. It's just not curved enough, and it's too short too. And the way my bumper is designed, the 10 to 12s, at least mine is, if I put this on, this would not be long enough. It would not be touching both sides from like here to here and then here to here. It just wouldn't fit. And then the corner pieces would be at a different level, because how the bumper is designed, it's like this. It starts right here, and then it goes up like that, and then it goes across, and then it goes back down on the corners. So it's lower on the corners and then higher in the middle. I'll include a picture right here. I'll draw something in right here, try to explain it. Hopefully that makes sense. But anyways, it is a bummer that this does not fit, but I am in the works of creating a custom front splitter. So follow my DNA Drives _G Instagram account to keep up with that. I'm gonna try and post some pics when I have some free time to design it. My plan is to get a big cardboard box, lay it out, kind of trace it out, curve it, everything I need, and then go to Menards, Home Depot, or maybe like some sort of like plastic store or something. I really don't even know yet. I gotta do some more research and kind of try and cut it out, and yeah, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So follow me on Instagram to see what happens with that, and hopefully I'll be making an update video. I haven't decided if it's gonna be like a part 1, part 2 kind of thing, or I might just do one whole video. Yeah, I think I'll do that, just one whole video. So not this upcoming Saturday, but Saturday after that, I hope to be done with it. And yeah, hopefully the video comes out now. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new to DNA Drives, click the link above right here to see what we're all about. Again, my name is Garrett. I have a 2012 Mustang 5.0. The other co-founder of the channel, he does a lot of cool content on his dad's 300 SRT. So please subscribe. We're trying to grow right now, and at the time of this upload, we got about 159 subscribers. Absolutely amazing. I think we might even hit 200 by the end of the week. Like, we've been gaining at least 5 a day the past couple days. That's just amazing. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.